Hey, hi friends, this is Prakash and welcome to our channel Runo and Siblings. I hope you all be doing well. Today we are gonna make some a tea snack recipe called as the dal vada. So I'll do the preparation and show you guys how it is prepared. It's a very short and easy recipe that you can go ahead and prepare for your tea time snack, and I'll hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you. So friends, in order to make this, what you need to do is you need to soak the chana dal or the gram dal for approx about 2 to 3 hours. That should be good. So I have soaked it for more than 4 to 5 hours, so you can see like it's nice and fluffy and it's good to go. So we'll come to that. We'll need to drain off the water, and apart from this, what you need is you need a half of onion finely chopped, couple of green chilies finely chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped, and this is my what you can call it as this is soya saag. Okay, it's easily available. There are different names to it depending on the region or the location that you stay. Okay, so these are generally the green leaves of soya. Easy way to put it through. So let us just proceed and soak off the water first. So friends, I have drained off the water right now. Next we'll have to do a coarse grinding of these chana dal. So we'll proceed on to that one next. So now you'll have to put the chana dal into the grinder. Okay, don't put everything, just leave little bit because we'll be adding it like that, gives a nice crunchiness to our vada. So I have just left little bit, as you can see, and the remaining I put in the grinder. So you'll not grind it completely like a paste, but we'll do a coarse grinding, means like it will be like half crushed. Make sure to keep check in between, like in case you feel it's too much dry, be sure to add a little bit of water so that it will get a nice sort of thick texture we need. Okay, so as you can see, I might need a little bit more water. So as you can see, I have not done the fine grinding. As you can see, there are some pieces on the side, so that's fine. Okay, we can use them. So we just need to, they hold them the shape. That is the consistency we require. And if at all you feel like you have grinded it too much or something like that, be sure to use a little bit of, a basin into it. That should be fine. Not too much, just a little bit. You can see our mixture is ready. So right now I'm adding the remaining, the chana dal what we have left. Okay, so just give it a nice mix so that we want that little bit of coarseness. I added a little bit more water, so I don't think it will hold the shape. So what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of besan into it. So as you can see, I have added a little bit of besan, so I'll just give it a nice whisk so that it holds the shape at a later stage. We want it to hold the shape. Let me see, seems about right. So adjust the consistency according to your need. We want it thick, not very thin. So now let's just add the the remaining veggies that we have cut. We are adding the chili, the onion, the soya saag, and the green coriander. Now for the flavor part, we have to add a little bit of masala. So little bit of chili powder, little bit of turmeric for the coloring. Okay, little bit jeera, and a little bit of coriander powder. Okay, and apart from that, a pinch of hing will be adding. Pinch of hing. And adjust the consistency of salt according to your need. Okay. Okay, so make sure to measure and put it in case you are not familiar with that. So just a little bit, pinch of it. Now mix everything together, and after that we'll move on to the making vadas. So friends, our mixture is ready. Okay, so now next what we'll do is we'll heat the oil in the pan. So put the oil according to whatever the pan that you are using. Okay, so it should be a deep fry, so you need to have a good amount of oil over there. So our oil is heated up right now. So what we'll have to do is we have to take the dough little by little. Make sure to put some oil onto your hand and make vada like this, or whatever shape you are comfortable with. So once we have made it, okay, we need to, it's little bit sticky because you know, water I put in there. Okay, so like this we'll have to go ahead and make it. Shape is not a matter, okay, but in case you want to have a certain shape, it's fine. Or you can make round balls also. This is not holding the shape correctly as I wanted, but I'll go ahead and put it. So we have the vadas in the pan. Make sure to flip it from time to time. Make it in a low heat so that you know it gets cooked nice and evenly on all the sides. Shape did not come out that great what I had thought, because like I said, you know, I miscalculated on the water part. Make sure to use very little or no water if required. Okay, but again we have to maintain a thick consistency of this vada that we are making. Okay, so we'll let it shallow fry for some time and we'll keep on flipping it as the color changes. So as you can see, they are getting cooked evenly on all the sides. So probably takes about, you know, if you are cooking on low flame, takes about, you know, 8 to 9 minutes to get it cooked completely. Okay, so and you know, whenever you see like you one side has, you know, got fried nicely enough, go ahead and flip it. Okay, so that it's evenly distributed on both sides. So friend, it has been around 6 to 7 minutes. As you can see, like our vadas have taken the color very nicely on both the sides. So next will be, you know, drain the oil off and, you know, keeping it separately right now and put in another batch. So friends, if you liked our recipe, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and so that you can be notified for the upcoming videos or whenever there is a new upload. Do share your love and feedback in the comment section, or you know, liking this particular video. I wish you all are doing well and have a great evening.